how everyone's been doing ATV rides in Bali. Well, this is UTV. It's bigger, crazier, and in this video, I'm giving it a try. Let's go. UTV stands for Utility Terrain Vehicle. It's like an ATV but built for two people, with a very proper seat, a steering wheel, and a roll cage. The engine starts from 800cc to 1000cc. It's safer and more stable. So now I already wear the boots and then hair cap and helmet and we're ready to go. Let's ride the UTV. Okay, so now we're already in the UTV. It's quite big and a little bit different with the ATV. That's the ATV. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so the track is about 7 kilometers and it's split into two parts. The first part starts with a small mud puddle. Then we cross a shallow river. After that, we take a short break. So this is the aftermath. Look at that. We already did the session 1 and now we're taking a break right here. And after this, we're gonna continue to the session 2. Let's continue to the second round. The second part is more exciting. We go through a deeper river and the water even flows into the UTV. And the last stop, a giant mud puddle. It splashes everywhere and it feels like a full-on mud bath. That was crazy fun. Crazy fun. I'm so hungry and I definitely need a shower. But if you're looking for a new adventure more than ATV, this is it. You need to try this. You can book this UTV at Alasan Adventure in Ubud. The price is starting from $120 per person, but it includes everything: shower, locker, safety gear, guide, insurance, and of course, an hour ride of adrenaline. Details are in the description. Check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.